Here are some tips and tricks to treat your ingrown toenail at home. Now, first and foremost, if you have an infected ingrown toenail, do not try to treat it at home. Infections in the toe very rarely clear up on their own, and you should seek medical advice, whether it's an urgent care, your primary care doctor, or a podiatrist. Please have somebody look at an infection if there's an infection there. Now, if you are dealing with an ingrown toenail that is not infected but tender or maybe starting to become sore, there are a few things you can do that sometimes help you avert having to see the doctor. The first and foremost is to soak it. Soaking a toe in lukewarm water and a little bit of Epsom salts, and I also recommend some vinegar because vinegar is antibacterial and antifungal, can actually help soften that skin and alleviate that discomfort from the nail growing into the skin. The second thing you can do is try to massage the skin away from the nail. The ingrown toenail is causing injury to the skin, and the skin is what needs to heal up. And sometimes pulling that skin away from the nail can help it heal up faster. What you shouldn't do is try to dig out the ingrown toenail. This is what most people do, and it does give you a little bit of immediate relief. The problem is that nail continues to grow. And so though it feels good for a couple of days, as that nail starts to grow again, it re-ingrows, and pretty soon you are digging and digging and digging until there is nothing to dig out, and then you have an infected toe. If you have the urge to get something sharp or take an edge off, rather than take a nail nipper at it, I would recommend using an emery board to kind of smooth out that corner. If you can't get the emery board where you feel like you need to get the nail, you shouldn't be doing it yourself. And that is when you need to call your podiatrist and have them take a look at your ingrown toenail. Ingrown toenail procedures are very common. It is something that we see and do in the office almost every single day. So if you have an ingrown toenail, you're not alone. People are suffering from them every single day. But hopefully a few of these tricks help you avoid seeing me for that ingrown toenail. But if you need me, I am happy to see you at Third Coast Foot and Ankle.